How to earn $2 or more every 60 seconds straight to your PayPal account. If that sounds good, stick around and I will show you exactly how to do that. The method I'm about to teach you is absolutely free. You will need no money for this. And of course, because we like simple and easy stuff on this channel, you will need no technical skills whatsoever and no experience in making money online. If you are a total beginner, this is perfect for you. And if you stay until the end of this video, I will even show you how to triple your earnings so that you can have a consistent income coming in every single week. But before we dive into the video, if you enjoy videos about simple and easy ways to make money online, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you're looking for the best way to create a full-time passive income online, if you want to know what enabled me to quit my job as a construction worker and start making some real money just using my laptop, click on the first link in the video description and I will share with you how I did that. Now let's jump into the video and earn some money for a PayPal account. First of all, I want you to go to a website called Validately over at validately.com. This is a user testing company. There are two groups of people using this website. The one are the people or companies who want to hire users to test their websites, and the other are the users who get paid to test the website, which is our group. And please don't freak out when you hear testing websites. Trust me, it is way more simpler and easier than you think. So the first thing you have to do is click on this right here, get paid to test. Now in any website you use, especially in the ones you're about to offer your services, you need to make sure that they are legit. Take a look at the companies they are working with. Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, Allstate, colossal names to have on your website. That should tell you that Validately is the real deal and they will pay you in full for your services. Now as you can see, this works in 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is signing up, and I will take you through the sign up process because there are specific answers you need to put in order to make the most amount of money. So stay with me. Step number 2 is start taking tests. The way this works is that they will send you emails in your inbox with simple tasks and you need to open those emails and accept those tasks. And number 3, get paid. After you complete the test, they will pay you through PayPal, so you need to have a PayPal account, otherwise they won't be able to pay you. If you don't have a PayPal account, I will leave a link in the description for you to create one. It's free and it's the easiest and safest way for your internet transactions. So let's get moving. First we will go through the sign up process together and then I will show you what a test looks like and how simple it is to complete. Click here when it says sign up and you will see a welcome message. Register as a tester and start earning money. Click on create an account and you will be directed in a series of questions that will help the company determine which tests are best for your particular demographics. So question number 1, what type of mobile device do you own? In my case it's an Android. If you are using an iPhone, go ahead and select that. Click on next. What type of computer do you own? For me it's Windows PC. Next. What version of Windows do you use? I'm using Windows 10, male or female, it doesn't really matter. What year were you born? Fill that out. Next. What is your level of education? Here, no matter your level of education, you need to select college graduate. This will enable you to get more high-paying tests. Next, what is your employment status? Here you will select one of the top 3, full-time, part-time or self-employed. Now question number 8 is also important. In what industry are you working? You will click on the drop-down menu and you will select information technology. Why? Because it has the test with the most amount of money. And don't worry, you don't need any background information in technology. Next, what is your job title? I will select marketing strategies, click on next. I know there are a lot of questions, but we need to do this if we want to get paid. So what's your annual household income? Here you need to select the second or third option. So I will choose this one. And what is your full name? Just type in your real name. Next, what is your email? Make sure you type in your real email because they will use that to send the test, so put in your real email, click on I'm not a robot and click on next. Here you need to enter your PayPal email so they can deposit your money in that account. Click next and here you have to choose a password for your Validately account. Choose a strong password and the next question is what time zone do you live in? Just click on Detect My Location and finally agree to the terms and services, check the I'm not a robot box and click on Sign Up. That was a long line of questions, but I promise you this will be worth it. Now after you complete the sign-up process, you will land on this site where you will take a short and simple 1-minute test just to show them that you're able to do this. They will even have an example video for you to see. After they review your test and approve you, you will start receiving emails from Validately with various tests. They will include the specific tests you need to take in order to do this, so don't worry about what you will do, you will just follow the instructions they will give you. Let me show you an example of what the test might look like. Let's say we got an email from Validately. We open it and there are instructions they provided in order to complete the test and get paid. So, please visit the Smithsonian website at the following URL. Please navigate through the website and locate the map of the museum. Please navigate through the website and locate Objects of Wonder exhibit. So, what I'm gonna do now is copy this link right here. Copy that. Open a new window and paste that. Hit enter. And that should take me to the home page of the Smithsonian National Museum. And here we are. So, step number 1 is done. Please visit the Smithsonian website at this address. Done. Number 2, please navigate through the website and locate the map of the museum. Okay, let's try to do that. So, the map of the museum. Visit exhibits, research, education, events, about, join us. Let's try the about section. No, I don't think that's in there. We're looking for the map. Let's try visit. Hours, location, admission. Google Map, is that it? No, I don't think so. Download museum map, that's it. Yep, found it. Download that. And remember guys, you have to speak out loud. You have to say what you're thinking when you're navigating through this website. So we did that. The next step, please navigate through the website and locate Objects of Wonder exhibit. Alright, let's find that exhibit. So we don't really need that right now. So we go back. So exhibits should be in there. Let's see if we can easily find it. Exhibits number 1. Whoa, there are some cool stuff in here. First time visiting this website. So it takes some time to load. Top experiences at the museum. What we're looking for again, it's Objects of Wonder exhibit. Alright, so whoa, creepy spider, African bush elephant, African voices, documenting general life in ancient Egypt. That's interesting. Nope, nope, nope. Mega toothed shark. Objects of Wonder, this is what we're looking for. So, found it. Explore the breadth, depth, and splendor of the world's most extensive natural history collection. Use some of the most intriguing, beautiful, and awe-inspiring objects in our collection. So, this is what we were looking for. And that should complete step number 3. Please navigate through the website and locate Objects and Wonder exhibit. And that is all. You will record your experience through a shared screen software they will provide for you. You will submit the recording and they will pay you. Simple as that. Now just a little tip for you guys, while you're navigating and recording your experience, don't just go around and compliment these websites. The reason they're hiring you is to find potential flaws or bugs on the website that the developers might have missed. Or if you see something you don't like, just say it. It could be something that you would expect to find on the menu bar, but it isn't there. Just say that, and believe me, they will appreciate that more than you go around saying how beautiful their website is. Now, the only problem I found with this method is that emails don't come very often. So if you want to make a good monthly income, here's a simple solution for you. Below this video in the description, I have validated this URL plus the URLs from 3 different websites that do the exact same thing as Validatedly. They hire people for testing websites. I've tested a bunch of them and those are the best I could find, so check them out. Sign up to all of them, they all work pretty much the same way, so this way you can triple the emails you receive and your payback payments. That is the way you do it for this website, guys. Now if this isn't for you, if you're looking for something more, a proven method that can bring you hundreds and even thousands of dollars every single day, this is what I'm doing. This is what's helped me quit my job in construction and start making crazy money from home, just using my laptop. The best part is that money are coming in my bank account while I'm traveling or hanging out with my friends and family. I think everyone should taste that lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, click the first link in the video description and I will share with you exactly how I did that. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to smash that like button, I would very much appreciate it, and also hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of this awesome community. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, make it a great day, and I will see you on the next one.